As an Xfinity customer, you don't have to be a gamer just to play games. If you have either of these remotes and an Xfinity X1 cable box, you can hold down the microphone button on the Xfinity X1 remote and say, "Free games." Use your remote's directional pad to cycle through the games, and your select button to choose. Ooh, my favorite. Let's try this one. Once the game loads, use your directional pad to navigate, and your select button to choose. See? You don't have to be a gamer to go a few rounds of Wheel of Fortune. Who doesn't love this game? Oh, you? Well, hit that back arrow button, and it'll get you back to the main menu. Press yes to confirm, or you can just hit the exit button, and that'll get you back to your list of games. And as you can see, there's tons of games to choose from your old school classics like Tetris, to card games like Solitaire and Blackjack. You got learning games, sports games, kids games. Only things missing is to be able to play with a Bluetooth controller. Maybe in the future. That would be nice. But for now, you'll use your X1 controller. And when you're done playing games, just click the exit button a couple times to get back to live TV. Happy gaming!
Be straight to the point.
If it was helpful, like and subscribe.
If you're really feeling generous.
Hit that super thanks button.
The tutorial videos shared on this channel are based solely on personal experiences and insights. They do not in any way represent the views, policies, or positions of Comcast Xfinity. All content provided is for informational purposes only and is not intended to be a substitute for professional advice from Comcast Xfinity.